Hello friends, I'm here with question number 8. Create a playbook called slash home slash student slash ansible slash packages dot yml. This is the playbook name and you will have to use the same uh, which you will be given your exam scenario. Okay, install packages on multiple groups, install PHP and MariaDB package on dev, test and prod group, install RPM development tools group package on dev group, update all packages on dev group. This is the question. So let's go to our machine. I have already created this uh, playbook. I just want to show you what I have put there. So guys, on this host group we have to install these packages, PHP and MariaDB, host dev comma test dev, and then comma prod. You can write in this way, or you can put here after putting hyphen, then dev, then under this hyphen test, then hyphen prod. You can use this way or that way. Okay, so then this is the keyword we have put here, task, and then task name, install PHP and MariaDB, ansible.bulletin.dnf. You can only put dnf also, but d has to be under n. Then name of the packages, PHP, MariaDB, state is present. Okay, you can create this item list also, but you can also do in this way. It's up to you. Then hyphen host dev, on dev group uh, we have to do these following tasks. Name, install the development tools package group. Then again, our module name is DNF name. This is the group we have to install. At, you have to put at here, RPM development tools, and then state present. Then second task is upgrade all packages. So guys, this is what you have to write in this playbook and then save it. In my case it's already saved, but one more thing I just want to show you, just in case if you don't remember these all parameter, how you can get it. Just ansible doc, sorry, let me clear out, ansible doc, and then put DNF. So gradually go up. Okay, the same task we have been given here, you just select it, copy it, and put in your playbook. So another task I can show you, that is also given, this one. Okay, so from here you can get the task or code what if you don't remember. Okay, let's play our, just play our playbook using Ansible. Navigator, run, playbook name is packages, and then hyphen m std out. You can check syntax, but in my case I'm just running, I have already done it, so I'm just showing you that how you can do it. So guys, in my case is green because as I already told you that I have already done this, and Ansible is idempotent and it will not do the same task again. Okay, so it's good, and this is how you have to solve this question. This is for all for this question, and I will see you in the next video. And if you like, please subscribe my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon so that you could get notification of the new stuff. Bye guys.